In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put text in the center with image in Card. Start by opening card.so in your browser. From the home page, click Open Dashboard, and once you're in, choose the project you want to work on. This will open the card builder, where we'll set up a background image with centered text on top. In the builder, click Add and choose Container. Think of a container as a wrapper that holds other elements and lets you control their layout. Click the container type dropdown to take a quick look at the options. For this walkthrough, the default works perfectly, so you don't need to change anything. With the container selected, switch to the Appearance panel. This is where we'll style the container and add the image. In the Appearance panel, go to Background and change it to Image. Click Upload and select the image you want to use. A high-quality landscape image usually gives you more room to place text cleanly, but try to keep file size reasonable for fast page loads. After uploading, adjust the crop frame so the focal point of your image sits where you want it, ideally leaving some negative space for your text. When it looks right, click Accept. Next, click Add again and choose Text. A text box appears on your page. Type in your headline or message. Keep it concise for stronger visual impact. With the text element selected, open its Appearance tab and set the alignment to center. This ensures the text is centered within its own bounds. You can also adjust size and spacing here if needed. If your text blends into the background, consider increasing contrast with a bolder font, larger size, or a simpler color. Readability is key. Click Done to apply those settings. If the text isn't sitting on top of your image yet, drag and drop the text element into the container you created earlier. You'll know it's in the right place when the container highlights and the text snaps inside. From there, you can reposition the container on the canvas to place the composition where you want it on the page. That's it. You've set a container with an image background and placed centered text on top. A quick tip before you wrap up. Glance at your layout on different screen sizes in the builder to make sure the crop and line breaks still look good. Clean alignment, good contrast, and a focused crop will make your text and image section look intentional and professional.